A best practice with InkSoft stores is using the cloning feature to initiate the creation of your new stores. Instead of having to start a store from scratch, you can simply create a model store for each business segment you're involved in, clone that store, and then easily localize the colors, brandings, and products. You'll also be using the global art swap feature to replace the graphics on the products in your clone store. This is a store that I've set up that's a basic school store. You'll notice I have a banner, I have a promo bar, basic navigation. I added a fundraising module, and then I added the 6 most common products that I use across my school stores. It's important to add those products because what we're going to do is copy the products over during the cloning process and then globally swap out the Eagles graphics with graphics for the new organization or school. I've also created stores for other business segments. Here's an example of a corporate store I set up. The intent here is to clone this store from my corporate accounts. Got 2 embroidery products and some printed products as well. I also created a store that focuses on signage products. I added the ability to edit vinyl banner templates, as well as yard sign templates and decal templates. Users of an InkSoft Unlimited plan now have access to 650 signage templates that they can incorporate into their InkSoft Designer. I also added a section now offering selected apparel items. As we see this with many of our signage customers, they're also featuring apparel as well as promotional products in their stores. In order to clone a store, I'm going to select Stores from the InkSoft dashboard. I'm going to locate the store I'd like to clone, in this case, Quick School Store. I'm going to select the button with 3 dots, and then I'm going to select Clone Store. I'm going to enter a store name. I'll include a store directory here. And then I'm going to toggle on the switch for Include Products in Store Artwork. This is going to copy over all the products from the store template as well as all of the art. Next, I'll click on Clone Store to create the new store. I'm presented with 3 options: go to Storefront, edit the product details, or replace art in bulk. I'm going to select Replace Art in Bulk. Here are the 2 graphics that I used as placeholders in the store template. This particular graphic right here was created in GraphicsFlow. GraphicsFlow is a sister company to InkSoft that has a depository of thousands of interactive design templates. So I created this Eagles version, and I also created a corresponding version for Central Cougars. So I'm going to replace the Eagles graphic with the Central Cougars graphic. I'm going to click on the 3 dots button. I'm going to click on Replace Art, Upload Print File. I'm going to select the corresponding graphic and click on Open to replace it. To confirm that I want to replace the art, I'm going to click on Replace Art and then Continue. Then I'm going to go back to the art to do the same thing for the embroidery file. Replace Art, I'm going to select a new embroidery file. And then I'll be prompted to map the colors in the embroidery file. When I've done mapping the colors, I'll click on Done. To confirm the changes, I'll click on Upload. And then I'll stay in Store Art to see the corresponding changes. Once I've replaced the art, I'm going to select Go to Products. If I want to change the color of one of the products, I can simply select it, click on the product, go to Pricing and Styles, and select Edit Designs and Styles. So here I'll remove the navy, I'll add red, and I'll set up a new colorway for red. So here's the design with the colorway for gray. I'm going to select View Colorways, create new colorway, and I'm going to reassign the red to a navy blue. When I'm done reassigning the color, I'll click on Done, Save Colorway, select the red, then select the new color version, and set up the location of the imprint on the garment. When I'm done setting this up, I'm going to click on Apply Changes, save and publish, and then back to my product group. Once I've configured the colors and the graphics, I'm going to select Style Editor to begin the process of localizing the store with a new color theme and logos. I'm going to go to the promo bar. I'm going to change this to red. I'm going to change this content block right here to red as well. Once I'm done localizing the colors, I'm going to swap out the main banner. going to click on Remove to remove the old banner, and I'm going to upload a new image. The next step would be replacing the logos. So I'm going to save and publish. I'm going to go back to Store Admin. I'm going to select the cog icon and go to Store Branding. And here's where I'll replace the artwork in the store logo as well as the store icon. To save the changes, I'm going to click on Save and Publish. To view the updated store, I'm going to click on Storefront. Once I'm done localizing the store, I can go back to the Style Editor. I can update the fundraising module or add any other components I'd like to the store. I can quickly launch additional stores by using the cloning process and the global art replacement. The key to mobilizing stores with the new cloning function is setting up model stores. You can set up a model store for each market segment you service, include the most common products that you sell, and then easily swap out the graphics using the new global art replacement function.